Hello dear students, this is chapter 8 Winds, Storms and Cyclones. Earlier we discussed about air pressure and how air expands on heating. Today we have to discuss how wind currents are generated due to uneven heating on the earth. There are various situations. So first situation is given here, uneven heating between the equator and the poles. You might be familiar with the terms equator and the poles, and you have learned about them in geography. So the air in this region on the equator, above the equator, is generally warm due to maximum heat it receives from the sun. The warm air rises and the cooler air from the regions in the 0 to 30 degrees latitude belt on either side of the equator moves in. सो स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर होता क्या है कि जो इक्वेटर के ऊपर की एयर है वो गर्म हो जाती है, और हमने पढ़ा है, प्रॉपर्टी पढ़ी है हवा की, कि जब ये गर्म हो जाती है तो ये ऊपर की तरफ जाती है, मूव करती है। और इस एयर की जगह लेने के लिए कौन सी एयर आएगी? कोल्ड एयर है, वो आएगी फ्रॉम 0 to 30 डिग्रीज लेटीट्यूड बेल्ट। दीज विंड्स ब्लो फ्रॉम द नॉर्थ एंड द साउथ टुवर्ड द इक्वेटर। आपको ऐसे पिक्चर में दिख भी रहा होगा, द कोल्डर एयर फ्रॉम नॉर्थ एंड साउथ पोल्स is moving towards the equator, okay, in this direction. The warm air at these latitudes rises and the cold wind from the polar regions rushes in to take its place. In this way, wind circulation is set up from the poles to the warmer latitudes as shown figure 8.8. So in this way, the wind currents are set up. They move from the poles towards the equator. The wind flow pattern because of uneven heating on the earth. Here, Paheli is confused. She has a doubt. I wonder why the winds shown in the figure are not in the exact north-south direction. Yes, answer is given here too. The winds would have flown in the north-south direction from north to south or from south to north. A change in direction is, however, caused by the rotation of the earth. So we have to keep in mind this concept also. The earth is rotating regularly, so the direction of the wind is from as in the given in the figure in this picture. So the next way of wind currents generation is uneven heating of land and water, that is sea breeze and land breeze, that we have studied in chapter 4 also. In summer near the equator, the land warms up faster and most of the time the temperature of the land is higher than that of water in the oceans. गर्मियों के मौसम में इक्वेटर के आसपास की जो लैंड है, इक्वेटर के पास जो लैंड है, वहाँ की एयर जल्दी गर्म हो जाती है, और यहाँ का टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा होने की वजह से यहाँ पर क्या है, ओशन के ऊपर की जो हवा है जो कि कंपैरेटिवली ठंडी है, वो मूव करती है एयर, बिकॉज टू टेक the place of warmer air which rushes upwards. The air over the land gets heated and rises. This causes the wind to flow from the ocean towards the land. These are monsoon winds. So ऐसी winds जो कि ocean से land की तरफ आ रही हैं to take the place of warmer air is monsoon winds. And these type of winds are responsible for rain. The word monsoon is derived from the Arabic word मौसम, which means season. In winter, the direction of the wind flow gets reversed. Obviously, winter में direction of wind flow reverse हो जाता है. It flows from the land to the ocean. अब क्यों हो जाता है ये आप यहाँ से सोच सकते हैं कि क्यों हो जाता है. I want to know that what these winds do for us. ये मैं पहले बता चुका हूँ कि ये winds हमारे लिए क्या लाती हैं, बारिश लाती हैं, rain लाती हैं. The winds from the oceans carry water and bring rain. It is a part of the water cycle. The monsoon winds carry water and it rains. Clouds bring rain and give us happiness. Farmers in our country depend mainly on rains for their harvest. There are many folk songs associated with cloud and rain. Sing and enjoy with your friends if you know such a song. Here is one for you. Okay, so here is a song which is for we call a folk song, and it is associated with clouds and rains. So we have to sing it and enjoy it. In this picture, the direction of wind flow is given across our country, how these winds travel across our country and bring rain. Uneven heating of land, especially the Rajasthan desert, generates monsoon winds from southwest direction in summer. These winds carry lots of water from the Indian Ocean. As you can see, the direction of wind flow is from the Indian Ocean towards our country. However, it is not always a happy ending. Rains often create problems. Can you list some of the problems? You can discuss the causes and solutions of the problems with your teacher and parents. In nature itself, there are certain situations that can sometimes create disasters and pose threat to humans, animals and plant life. सो प्रॉब्लम्स कैसी आ सकती हैं, जैसे कि ज़्यादा बारिश हो गई है कहीं पे कम बारिश है, तो उससे बैलेंस नहीं हो पाने के कारण क्या हो सकता है, फ्लड्स जैसी, ड्रॉट जैसी कंडीशंस बन सकती कई सारे एरियाज़ में, लैंडस्लाइड्स, ये कई सारी ऐसी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं जो कि ज़्यादा बारिश या कम बारिश होने से हो सकती हैं. लेट अस स्टडी 2 सच सिचुएशंस, थंडरस्टॉर्म्स एंड साइक्लोन्स. तो बारिश से रिलेटेड जो यहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उनमें से 2 प्रॉब्लम्स यहाँ पर दे रखी हैं, थंडरस्टॉर्म्स एंड साइक्लोन्स. थंडरस्टॉर्म्स और साइक्लोन्स के बारे में हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस करते हैं.